So I just want you guys to know that we started with bars, now we're coming in with powder. That's double the chocolate. This is some special stuff. My foodie family everywhere, of course, welcome back to How to Foodie Nation. I'm Kezzy, and today with me I have a very special guest, Marley.
Hi.
And she'll be teaching us all about hot chocolate using the Montanos Company chocolate bars. So let's get stirring. So hot chocolate,
Yes.
or as my granny would say, cocoa tea with Marley. Marley, tell our friends what's your last name.
Montano. Hi, I'm Marley Montano.
This is Marley Montano, guys. And who's your uncle?
Masha Montano.
Oh, and she's brought today their family's chocolate for us to try this delicious recipe. Please tell me more.
Well, our chocolate is made from 3 ingredients, 3 basic ingredients. Cocoa nibs, which is from Trinidad,
Right?
brown sugar, and cocoa butter.
So it's just cocoa nibs, just cocoa butter, just sugar.
Yes, ma'am.
No additives.
No additives,
No preservatives.
no emulsifiers. Vegan.
Come
very
on.
healthy and very tasty.
And this good Trinitario cocoa that you only get here.
In Trinidad and Tobago.
Sounds so good, smells so good. I'm really excited to try it. So talk me through the process of hot chocolate. It's not complicated.
No, it's not.
But it's still an art form.
It's still an art form.
To be respected. So how do we start?
So we start by heating the milk and melting the chocolate in the milk.
Okay, sure. So you want to go ahead. You can pause since you're on that side.
Yes.
Molly, tell us a little bit. Ooh.
We have some heat going here.
It's going to happen fast then.
Yes, very much so.
So tell us more about yourself. You're in a coat, a chef's coat, which means you're going to school?
Yes.
What school are you going to?
I go to the Culinary Institute of America.
Well,
in New
excuse me. And how's that been?
York. It's been crazy.
Have you always been passionate about cooking?
I actually started off as a baker.
Oh, really?
Yes. I competed in a baking competition. When I was
Really?
younger, yes.
So cool.
Won, and I started baking. Wasn't too good at it. I started failing. And,
Right.
I said to myself, why not try a little cooking? I cooked like a little pasta, a little, macaroni pie.
And
That's
then
how
you
I-
thought, well, why not?
Why
Let's just
not?
go to school and
Let's
do this.
just- Yeah.
Very
I
cool.
competed in a couple of things. We won a competition when I was 13. I made curry chicken.
Oh, representing, good
It's
job.
not my specialty.
Oh, excuse me. You can feel free to come back and teach me. We've done curry chicken on the show, guys, but I don't mind doing it
Not
again with Marley.
Not Molly's curry chicken. Yeah.
Come on. All right, so how's our milk looking there?
I know it's looking good.
We still need a little more heat or?
Actually, we could add the chocolate right now.
Okay, sure. So we're starting with, these are chocolate bars.
Yes.
And this is 60% dark chocolate.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one for me, the rest for you. Whoop!
Very good.
Half the milk is outside.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's fine.
So now we want to just whisk it for like 2 to 3 minutes until the chocolate is melted.
So I could eat. But
Yes.
this is so good, so rich.
Yes.
Wait, I left a piece in here if you want to grab this guy.
For me,
Yeah.
I've eaten so much. of
Sharing
this
is caring. No, but it's so good. Dark chocolate is like the best chocolate.
It really is.
Milk chocolate is okay. It's kind of sweet, but dark chocolate, it's that rich cocoa flavor that we get from our Trinitario, cocoa.
And it's very healthy for you. Like, good for your immune system.
Yeah.
And that's one of the things I'm very passionate about when it comes to the company.
That's excellent. So we know that this cocoa is sourced here, but tell me a little bit more about how we do it.
There's a company called Sun Eaters run by Jillian and Kelly R.
The Sun Eaters?
Yes.
Okay.
Sun Eaters. And we work a lot with rural communities, and we teach how to temper chocolate and how to source the beans and how to grow the
All this is here?
all here.
Homegrown. That's so amazing.
My family and I actually did a tour of the estate.
Okay.
And we learned a lot about the bean and how to grow the bean. And
Right.
How they grow it and harvest.
Yeah, the
everything
whole
and
process.
The whole process.
Keeping
was
it
so
local.
beautiful. It was so nice.
That's excellent. Again, we do have the best chocolate in the world, and that's me being biased. So it's really good to see that you all take that through and through in the company. And of course, help out our local farmers. Gotta keep it in.
Yes.
All right, so where we
We
going
are
next?
ready to add the cocoa powder.
So I just want you guys to know that we started with bars. Now we're coming in with powder. That's double the chocolate. This is some special stuff. You mentioned before as well, this is a family project.
Yes.
So I heard that it's how many generations? One, two, three?
Generations, yes.
Three
It started
generations.
with my grandparents.
Right.
Then my dad and my uncle, and now
Right.
it's my 6 cousins and I. 5 cousins, no, I have 6.
Oh! I was like, are you counting yourself?
Yeah, yes. You know?
Excellent. That's so cool. I love that generational kind of thing you'll have going. It seems like you're so passionate about it as well.
To bring the hip, you know, the
Yeah.
hip vibe to it. Give it a little
Bring it into this
youth,
century.
a youth touch, yeah.
I feel you. This cocoa smells so good. I'm kind of mad I put all in the pot.
Well, you know, we'll eat some later.
Okay. I'll hold you to that.
Yes.
All right, so how's it looking there?
Good. Now we could add everything else.
Okay, so what do you want to start with?
The nutmeg and the cinnamon stick.
Okay. So again, we have a small grater. Guys, you all know how much fun I have with these baby graters. Okay, may I kind of thing for you? You'll tell me how we're going. Oh, Lord. This is some work suspended over the spot. That's
good.
enough?
Yes.
All right. And we drop these cinnamon sticks all the way in?
All the way in.
Okay. All right. Cool. And next we're coming in with, we have some sugar in here.
Brown sugar, yes.
Of course, brown sugar. Gotta shake it a little. Sorry. There we go.
Perfect sous chef.
Thank you. Didn't go to culinary school, but I can do a little something. Come on.
It counts.
Thank you. I taking the mama guy today, you know. I'm taking it. All right, and last is, I'm guessing pink salt?
Yes.
Okay. So some Himalayan pink salt that I don't want to throw away.
Just
And
wanna
why
add
do
a
we
pinch.
use salt in
Salt.
chocolate?
Salt heightens flavors,
Okay.
no matter if it's sweet or, you know, savory.
Okay.
So every time you bake, you use salt and things to just bring out that sweet flavor.
Okay, so we're taking a pinch from this, or we're using this one?
Yeah.
My pinches are very small, huh?
You
You see what I mean? I under pinch. We good there?
Yes, yeah.
All right,
and
excellent.
The essence now.
And essence. And this is what kind of essence?
Vanilla essence.
Okay. This is some special chocolate. This is not just your water and powder chocolate. This is
No, ma'am.
quality hot chocolate, good cocoa tea.
Yeah, I had to come here with something good.
I mean, come on. So now that we've added everything and it looks well mixed together.
Very much so. I will now lower the heat,
All right?
just so we don't have any bubbling over.
Right, of course.
And that should be it.
So you mean it's time for my favorite part? The tasting?
It's time to drink up.
All right, cool. So let's get some cups. I know I always get excited about tasting, but like I'm so excited about this. Like, guys, you need to see this cocoa. It looks rich. Like, it looks the parts. It smells the parts.
Yes.
I'm excited. I'm really happy that you came and I want to taste it. Can I taste it?
Yes, you can.
Well, I mean, we
Try
must
with you.
cheers.
Cheers.
This is like you died and went to cocoa heaven.
You know.
So good.
You're
so
welcome.
good.
I tried.
This is excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. I mean, the quality, it's just so good in the mouth. I mean, I know my friends at home would want to know, where we getting the chocolate?
Where? So you can get the chocolate at Massey stores, True Value, Veg Out UE, Peppercorns, Super Farm, Penny Savers in Tobago. If you're not in Trinidad, Tobago.
Anywhere else?
Naipaul's.
For our friends who don't live in Trinidad, can you get anywhere else?
Yes. Right now we are expanding, so you could get it in Canada.
Ooh.
And if you want to know any more information about our chocolates, where you could find it, you could go to the website, Montanos Chocolate Company.co.
Okay. That's Montanos Chocolate Company.co, guys. Check them out. It's so good. It's so good. I mean, I can't stop raving. I can't get over the smell.
Yes.
What do you think we could do with this chocolate? Because I feel like beyond cocoa tea,
Yes.
we could make something else.
Of course. You know, my sister and I, we work together
Right.
in the company.
Okay, cool.
And she's the baker. Yeah, she came and she did it much better than me.
She took the talent you didn't get.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Shout out to you, sis.
So she and I experimented making chocolate chip cookies,
Yum.
brownies,
Yum.
you know, adventurous, a cocotini.
Oh.
You know, you mix it up. You can use coffee, alcohol, you know, and bring a little twist.
So what you're trying to say is you wanna come
Yes,
back.
I make a boozy.
I feel like
twist.
you gotta come back and we could do some kind of chocolate booze combo, some
course,
kind
of
of
course.
something to eat. Like
We share
Yeah.
a love for chocolate, so you know. Yes.
we also kind of went to the same secondary school, just
Yeah.
two different locations.
Convent girls.
Convent girls again.
Yes.
Come on, guys. Thank you so much for coming, Marley. It was
Thank
so
you for
fun.
having me, yes.
Thank you for this blessing of this hot chocolate that I need to go home and make.
Yes.
I
of
could
course.
I could
And
get.
I've brought you chocolate.
And I was now going to beg for some chocolate.
Yes, ma'am.
You a real one. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Guys, be sure to check that website out for this amazing chocolate. And of course, like this video, share it with somebody else who loves chocolate, hot chocolate, or cocoa tea, and subscribe to join our YouTube family. We love you. Thanks again, Marley.
Thank you.
Until she returns. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.